eFile tax software review usage experience. eFile is an online tax preparation platform that offers affordable and convenient tax filing services for individuals. It provides a range of filing options from free federal returns for simple tax situation to more advanced package for complex tax need. And here are the key features about this platform, which is the free filing plan. Free filing plan is a basic duplex and premium to cater to different tax complexities, and also fast refund option for direct deposit refund in as few as 10 days, and also step-by-step guides which allow or which give easy to flow instruction for accurate filing, and also tools to estimate refund and determine eligibility for credit with a data security. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, which is the most important part of the platform, is the affordable pricing with a free federal filing and user-friendly interface with support option, which will give access to tax professionals through live chat and email, and amendments included, no additional cost to amend returns if needed. And here the cons, which is the downside of this platform, which is the state filing cost with limited advanced features and customer support, which is phone support is limited, primarily replying on email and chat, and the brand recognition less well known compared to major players like Topomas, which may cause hesitation for some. And here the final verdict about this platform. eFile is a solid choice for individuals seeking an affordable, user-friendly tax filing solution. It's particularly effective for simple to moderately complex return. However, taxpayers with a increased tax situation may prefer more advanced platform with comprehensive customer support.